What's up, everybody? I'm checking on my air horn porque no sirve, so maybe it disconnected. So to check that, you gotta take this shit on the bottom. This is for 2003 Chevy Cavalier. Chingada madre, ahí está. I found it. Trying to lose this shit. Today's the 31st? Yeah, Memorial Day. So you gotta be careful because you don't want to set the airbag. Like that. Ahora, ¿por qué no se quita esta madre? Oh, you know why? I took the wrong shit out. I think it was this here. Motherfucker, no se quita esta chingadera, hombre. Oh, here we go. Acá estamos. So, this shit dirty. Hold on, I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Yeah. So I just checked my air horn. You know what it is? So the connection was fine. So that shit was alright. So I checked the fuse, and the fuse is alright. The fuse didn't fuck up. So it's gotta be the like that. It's gotta be the fucking the actual horn itself. So I gotta get that. I gotta check that out and fix that. Replace it. I don't want to do it too tight. So man, I gotta get that shit fixed, Jack. All right. So it's not that. It's not the connection. It's not the fucking fuse. The fuse is fine. So it's the actual horn. I'm gonna go check that out. I'll get Bill.